Hello everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make some Halloween decor. So let's get started with a blank sheet of white paper. I'm going to use some black paint to paint a tree. Doesn't that look great? Let's draw the branches. Perfect. Now let's paint some bats. I have a new piece of white paper and I'm using my black paint to create some bats. Once that's all dry, we're going to cut it out. Use some scissors and make sure you get rid of every bit of white paper. Perfect. Now let's cut out the bats too. Great! Now I'm going to take some glue and glue the white side of the bats and the tree. Now what you can do is stick them onto a wall or a shelf. Look how cool that looks! What an awesome decoration! And so simple! Amazing Halloween wall decorations! Now we're going to make some awesome Halloween ghost garlands. So let's take a cupcake case. I'm cutting it in half. Then I'm going to roll it on top of itself like so. I'm using a stapler to secure it. Perfect! Great! Now we need to draw a face using a black marker pen. You can make all different faces, happy, scary, sad, whatever you want. Now I have a needle and thread. I'm using white cotton and I'm simply threading the needle through one side and out the other. We're going to line up all of the ghosts in a row. And there you have it, a creepy ghost garland. Next, I'm going to make a Halloween pom-pom spider. First up, I have some black wool for the pom-pom. So take your hand and wind the wool around and around and around. You want a giant lump. Next, I'm going to tie some wool around the middle. What we do next is cut around the edges. We want to cut the loops and then trim it to make sure that it's even. Next, we're going to make a smaller pom-pom. Repeat exactly the same process to do this, and then let's glue the two together. Perfect. Now I'm taking some black pipe cleaners. These are going to be the legs. I'm cutting the pipe cleaners in half, and then I'm using some glue to stick them onto the pom-pom. Remember, we want 8 legs, 4 on each side. I'm bending the ends to make the feet. Next up, I'm going to get some white felt for the eyes. I'm cutting out some circles and then using some black felt for the pupils. Glue them together. And then we're going to glue the eyes onto the spider. Perfect! Isn't that awesome? A Halloween pom-pom spider. Next up, I'm going to make some Halloween lights. I have a ping pong ball for this, and I'm gluing a googly eye on the front. Next up, I'm cutting a hole in the back. Perfect. Set that aside. Now I'm going to draw a Halloween face using a black marker pen. I'm also creating another hole. And this is where we put the fairy lights in. So pop the fairy lights in, and there you have it. You've got an awesome Halloween garland of lights. Perfect! Halloween lights. That's how you make your very own Halloween decor. Thanks for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. I'll see you again next time. Bye!